Hey guys, how's it going? Zima here. Last video for the year because we have some announcements and updates for PepeJuice, and that is where we first thought that it would launch today on the 31st of December. It is going to be extended for 2 additional weeks. Right now, if you check the price, we still have 7 hours until the price goes up. Right now it's at a quarter of a cent per PepeJuice token, almost at $500,000 raised. And the thing is, it will be extended for 2 weeks total, which means at the, probably evening around January 14th of 2025, that's when the token is going to go live. Right now, in case you didn't follow along or didn't watch the other projects, if you buy the token or bought it before, it will automatically be staked. I think it launched at 2,000% staking API. Right now it's around like 1,000% or 800% roughly, which means if you get the token on ETH, on Base, Solana, BNB, or on Polygon, for which you can pay with their normal currency or USDT, you can then have the token staked and get a whole bunch of additional tokens with the percentage that you gain that way. Now, if you want to be a PepeJuice millionaire, right now that would be $2,500. If you would have bought the token about, I don't know, like 2 weeks ago when we made the first video, you would have gotten that for about 1,000. Cool thing is that if you get some tokens, you can also join their cabal, you could say. Their, private cartel is what they call it, in which you get additional insights for other pre-sales, for tokens that are going to get pretty big. And that alone might be worth it getting into the project, but also the fact that the price for Pepe right now is at around $9 billion on market cap. If this goes to just 1% of that, you easily make your money back and get a 50 to 100x in here, as we are at less than $1 million. It's been about right, Web3's favorite frog, and he's looking Gucci, as we know. What attempts are coming? Let us suckle on his juice and taste of his wisdom. 5 billion tokens total, 35% reserved for the pre-sale, 15% for marketing to push the message out, 15% for staking with that 849% API up there, and then also 35% for liquidity for DEXs, so everybody can change their tokens, swap it right away, and at the same time, with stake flow, we get a bunch of additional benefits. Now, on the Twitter again, if we check over here, they had a couple different posts on how it goes. They say 1 more day to go, but they just announced that it's going to continue even more. Also hashtag airdrop, so we probably get some that way as well. And, when it goes live, I'll let you know for sure, as this is exactly what we need around the Christmas and New Year's time, and have a good start in the new year with PepeJuice being live. What I can say is, if you want to get the token, the link to it is down below. Make sure to get some, and I'll see you in the next video. Follow them on X, follow them on Telegram, see what they do. If you check the Telegram in here, you might need to verify to show that you're human before you can join the channel, but then you're all good to go. And join the cabal, join early, and see how it goes. Read the white paper, learn some more about it, what makes them special, what's the advantage, what they're doing, and you'll probably see as well why it's a good decision to get some tokens. For that again, link down below. Happy New Year, and I'll see you next year with more videos on tokens, on notes, on anything that has to do with crypto. Hope you have a good rest of your day, of the last day of the year, and I'll see you fairly soon. Bye, guys.